Hey you guys, it's your girl Naima. Welcome back to my channel. And I am back for my second video of today. So don't act like you ain't see this shirt and this whole look in my last video, okay? So real quick, as you can tell by the title, I got two new fragrances that I wanted to first impressions and spray with you guys. Cause y'all, I got my little perfume strips off Amazon. I feel like an official fragrance girly, okay? Yes, give it up for me, okay? But anyway, I got two fragrances I want to share with you guys, y'all. I am so freaking excited. Of course, they were highly recommended. They are trending, and they are just, of course, Arabian fragrances. But y'all, listen, this is what I'm gonna tell y'all. Let's start here, y'all. Pre-ordering is the devil, okay? My anxiety and my anticipation on things, I'm already impatient and indecisive. So if I have to pre-order something and pay and wait until it actually get in stock and then go through the whole shipping transit thing, oh no, I can't do that again. But guess what? I'm glad I did, because what? It sold out again. I did good this time. So to see the fragrances I'm talking about, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start with my first fragrance, y'all. This is from Lattafa. This is Honor and Glory. I actually treated myself to this on Mother's Day, so I purchased this one from Amazon. I see the official seal, so you know it's real. This is how long I've been holding on to this fragrance, just to open her with y'all, okay? Because I wanted to also open her with one of my other fragrances. So let's get into it, okay? So again, it's the blind buy. I have not sampled or got a decanter of none of these fragrances, okay? So y'all, it be always the packaging for me, okay? The packaging for me. This is actually the second white bottle I have in my collection. So yeah, y'all. Ooh, she's so pretty. So freaking pretty. All right. Ooh. She's thick too. So this is what the bottle looks like. Oh, she's real thick. Is this scratched up here? Got a little couple little marks on it, but it's all right. Ain't nothing that, you know, I ain't too mad about. Y'all, love the bottle. This sucker is fat and it's heavy. And you know what I'm saying? Somebody acting like you could bust them up in the head with that joker. So let's get one of these little strip junks. And I'll leave the link to these little strips on Amazon. Listen, y'all know where to go. Go to Amazon. All right, so this is Honor and Glory. We're going to do a little snippy sniff. Okay, hold on now. Hold on, think I got a good spray. If I just got my ceiling fan on. Now, the girlies was, you know, describing this fragrance as pineapple, but grown. I want to say I smell pineapple, but like it ain't really. It's not. It's more peppery to me. Am I tripping? I'm gonna have to come back on this one, y'all. Don't fight me. Let me try to spray it out one more time. Also, it may be the paper. Since I'm not spraying it on my skin, I already got on a little layering combo right now, so I'm not gonna spray it on my skin. I will pop the notes up on the screen. I gotta come back to her, y'all. Honor and Glory. I'm gonna come back and revisit her after I open up this next fragrance. I'm gonna put her back in the box. Don't be mad, y'all. But baby, let's get to the start of the show, honey. Let's get into the start of the show. I purchased this fragrance from Aroma Concepts. So y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it is. Okay? You already know. So don't act like you don't know. Yes, y'all. Ooh, Lord Jesus. I have been waiting for you forever since you first came out. KHAIR Fusion. Oh, about Paris Corner. Come on. Listen, this will be my third Paris Corner fragrance I'm adding to my collection. Come on, y'all. Lead it to the seal because what, you know, it's real. Period. Look, box got a little dent, but listen, it's okay. It's okay. We are here for the Bordeaux. So let's open her up real quick. Yes, y'all. Ooh, come on, boo. Come on. Come to mother. Yeah, I know I have pistachio. So it was only right to add this boo-boo. Y'all, she's too cute. It's the color for me. It's the color for me. Again, very weighty. Glass bottle. We love to see it. The cap is a little flimsy, but whatever. Again, so y'all, this is a blind buy. I will put the notes up. This is the dupe for Kayali's lychee, sparkling lychee. So now, since I have pistachio, I feel like I want to get Kayali's young pistachio, and I feel like now I want to get Kayali's sparkling lychee. So let's get into her. All right, y'all. First initial spray is a blind sniff, blind buy, all the things. This is what I'm talking about. This is, ooh. But y'all know what's so funny? I do not like lychee. But this here, oh my God. Jesus. She is so freaking good. Oh my God, she's juicy. It's like, I want to eat it. This is everything. I'm talking about everything that everyone has hyped this fragrance up to be. Everything. She good. I cannot wait to spray her on me. I might wear this tomorrow. I am gonna wear this tomorrow. Oh, y'all. The notes is on the screen. The notes are on the screen. Is the notes on the box? No, it's not. But y'all, ooh, 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Highly recommend, okay? If you don't have pistachio, if that ain't your vibe, if you don't know if you really feeling the vanillas and the nuts and the all that, if you want something fruity, juicy, fun, fresh, clean, just to sop you up on a hot summer day because you're thirsty, just get this. And I'm so sad if you missed this, it, because it's definitely sold out again. Oh my God. I can smell this all day. And I ain't even playing with you. Okay, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to give Honor and Glory one more sniff. Okay. So Honor and Glory, you have to let her dry down. And I'm also let her sit for a little bit before I give my final decision on if I'm keeping her. Yeah, I'm gonna let her sit. But sparkling, at least, oh girl, please. I'm wearing this as soon as I get a chance. I'm gonna spread her out a little bit more times. And guess what? I'm wearing her. Period. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And hello to all my new subscribers. And what up to my old subscribers. Y'all already know what's good. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.